Hello guys, you know that when I want to start my YouTube channel, I have zero content idea. But I said to myself, let me just start. Yes, you can also do the same. Because when I start my YouTube channel, what I do is this. I just, find a way to turn YouTube into content and also turn Facebook into a content and also turn website as well. Yes, that's why I will tell you that I make a video on YouTube, Facebook, website, TikTok, any social media that you can make money from. So how do I get my content idea? Through research and results. That is it. I make a research, I figure out something, and I try it myself. It work for me, I make video with it. Simple. And I'm going to be sharing to you two secret content ideas that you can start now. Number one, cooking. If you actually teach people how to cook, you're going to make money from it. Look at this creator. They have 19 million subscribers and they are making a lot of money just to teach people how to cook local food. That is very, very simple. And you can actually do it as well. Another one is reporting channel. All you need to do is to go to the web, watch people's video, and actually make a video with it. React on people's videos. That is the only thing that you need. I'm not telling you to go and download their video and put on your channel. It's not going to work that way because you're going to get demonetized on any social media platform you are using, whether Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, because it is copyright violation. And what I'm trying to tell you is that you watch their video, listen to what they say, and actually react on it. Make a video to react on it. Very, very simple. And with time, you are going to be making small money on it. Thank you for watching this very wonderful video. Do well to smash that like button and subscribe.